ban nang ni sekemat ru ujuk.
Ronnie V. Lingdo announced that the candidates for the upcoming MDC elections will be revealed before Christmas. He noted that some constituencies have multiple applicants competing for tickets with decisions based on public preferences. Lingdo also confirmed that Banphiralang, Basaiawmoit from Nongse has been selected as the official MDC candidate from Mylliem constituency. Despite no drastic changes in the number of party MLAs, several constituencies are seeing multiple contenders for the MDC seats.
Na Mylliem haduk mentah ngila yarai dakui karai bangila yarai beyo Banphiralang Basaiawmoit banang ni na po sinong nongse u samlarang ba beladon benta bahaki imlang salang ubala kum unong ulakit ya kakam sports club ponong se ubala tribun kikam nam takim lang salang udai samlarang ba ubala biang ma kejing puli wat mentar udon mentah kakam school kam hikai dengan semua halar kata ki pai ba na po Mylliem kila hun be Banphiralang Basaiawmoit hoi kila don ki nong kami ki rangba na ki seng ki belakwa banele andai nilarai da kawai hi ba po Mylliem ini ai tiket be yo brio bani na seng.
The NPP